Hi, it's Steve from BR Special Tuning. Welcome to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to fit the Termignoni collectors onto the R Nine T 8-ball project, and I want to show you exactly what's entailed. You can see the differences in the two and the weight differences. So you can see both collectors lay on the floor here, Termignoni and OE. You can see the difference in their physicality and obviously no cat. I fitted this last night. I took the old one off and put the new one on. It took about an hour. This morning I've just taken the collectors off and the silencer to do this video, and it took about 7 minutes. It's not really a difficult task. The most trickiest part is the gearbox mount. They're retained by two long cap heads that go into the gearbox. That's the OE one. There is a Termignoni one which is fitted to the bike. I've tapped that onto the end of this video so you can see exactly what you're looking at. That's the most trickiest part. There's about 3 kg in saving in weight on the collector, so tick in the box. Obviously no cat and no exhaust valve, so it's all looking good. What I've done, I've mounted the headers on first, and you can see how the Termignoni collectors are assembled. The springs hold them together. So what I did, I mated the one in the T, in the 2 into the 1. And then you slide these two in together, and then you just carefully manipulate this other joint into there, making a complete assembly. And then you just wiggle them about, make sure they're fully settled, and then you fit the return springs with this absolutely life-saving tool to put the springs on. Saves an awful amount of problem. Don't worry about the springs on the manifolds. They can be put in afterwards, so don't worry about doing that. That can be left till last. So I'll just fit these collectors now, and then I'll just do a catch-up video of just showing points of interest. So now you can see how the full system looks so cool on the bike. I'm very happy with it. I've started it up, and we'll do a sound video shortly, which you can look at. So a couple of points of interest. As I mentioned, I mounted the headers on first, and as you saw in the video, I assembled the collectors, and they slip onto the small little manifolds on there. They suggest you keep these loose, but I decided to tighten these up first because I wanted a good mate on the cylinder head. So I let the flexibility of the 2 into 1 return springs do their bit. So you can see it wasn't difficult to fit. So I chose to tighten them up first. Everything else you leave loose. So the return springs, as I mentioned, this device is invaluable. They just pull onto the welded lugs to retain the collectors into the cylinder head. you may see under here was the bolt that mounts to the gearbox mounting. That's just a simple cap head and a nylock. Band clamp for the silencer. Cap head and nylock nut to mount the silencer on there. So it's all done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to contact us any way you wish on 01600 77 21 21, on our website www.brspecialtuning.co.uk. Feel free to give any comments on this YouTube video. We do encourage feedback, and I hope you enjoyed it.